Okay guys, Terrence here. Today we're working on this Chevy Traverse. It needs wipers really bad. However, these are not your standard wipers. I ordered them offline because I couldn't find them in our parts store. It was a special order at our parts store. They did stock them, a few of them did stock them, but they didn't have any. So I ordered them offline. They just arrived today, and I'll put the link in the description box so you guys can order some as well. And they're significantly less than what they were going to cost in the store. These wipers are nearly 20 bucks a piece, but that's what I was in the parts store, and I got them for a fraction of that cost. And these new wipers look like they're made of some kind of quality, so we're gonna see. For what I spent on them, I just want to get these swapped out because this basically, we don't have any wipers on this thing. So the first and foremost thing, guys, you want to do with these wipers, there's a push button here. I'm gonna push that in, and it should just slip off. But these have been on here for so long. These look like factory wipers. They're stubborn, so you have to kind of wiggle it and pull while you're wiggling it, and eventually they'll slide off. So they may seem stubborn, but you have to wiggle it and slide right off. So it's a simple install opposed to the standard wipers. They're simple as well too. So these are the typical, these are your typical standard wipers. Just slides off, and typical wipers, super easy to put on. And one hand in this, lock in place. Put them down. Okay, this is the new wiper. The driver's side is 24 inches. Passenger side requires a 21-inch blade, so make sure you make note of that. Comes with the blade protector. Slide this off. And you want to put it on the exact way it came off. One hand in this, guys. That's it. So install it with one hand, put it down, that's done. Like I said, they look like some durable wipers. I paid a fraction of the cost of the other ones. So as you can kind of see too, they only can go on one way. Seat in that slot. Okay, we got this one off. Remove it from the plastic, and we're gonna pop it on. Okay, I got the cover removed. Same thing, guys, just one hand in this. That's it. Super simple job. The most difficult part was finding the wipers. So takes you about 5 or 10 minutes to install them, to remove them and install them. And I just wanted to kind of show this. Most importantly, I just want to put the link in the description box where you guys can find this exact replacement OEM style wiper. Those are not OEM wipers, but they're OEM style wipers. So direct installation opposed to trying to find those wipers. And they're very expensive. And what you guys see when I pay for these, under 15 bucks. I'll just say that. And shipped to my door, took about 4 days, and we got wipers now. So I don't know how good they are. That's soon to be found out as we drive the car. So subscribe to the channel, guys. If you like this video, found it helpful, hit that like button, hit the thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload new content. Terrence, I'm out.